So you found a pretty sweet deal on the used car market, but you're a little bit apprehensive because the warranty period is about to end for the car. Or maybe you found your dream car on the Recon car market, but you're not sure of the after sales service. What happens if something goes wrong, something breaks down? Where can I get some assurance when I buy a Recon car? Or perhaps you already own your beloved car, but it's really reaching to the end of its warranty period, and you're not sure if you sell it, should you get a new car, and all these things, things that worry us as car owners, right? So if you have all those worries, fret not. There's something called Evo Club Extended Warranty, and I believe this product can help you solve majority of these worries. Now, more about that in this video. In this video, in fact, we're going to talk about what is Evo Club Extended Warranty, why is it so important from me as a car enthusiast perspective. Number 3, we're going to talk about the step-by-step process and also what to expect during this whole application process. And last but not least, also the pricing structure and special discounts for Evo Club members. All right, so more of that in this episode. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, before we start this video, please help me hit the like button if you found this video informative, helpful, or you just enjoy this content, right? And please don't forget to also check out my channel. I have a lot of contents for car enthusiasts, whether it's driving cars, car meets, car reviews, and also we do live Q&As every single Monday at 9 p.m. a live Q&A to help car enthusiasts decide what car to buy. Alright, so if you want more content like that, please help me hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get an alert every time a new video is out. Right? Without further ado, let's jump straight into the content and let's talk about number 1. So what is Evo Club Extended Warranty? Now this is really important because when I go and buy a warranty on insurance, like you most probably have an insurance for yourself, you want to make sure that the person that gives you that assurance actually has the financial backing when you need it, right? Because ultimately you want to know if that product or that company has your back, right? So Evo Club Extended Warranty is in partnership with a company called GMR, Guard My Right. And this company is specialized in creating a warranty package for the used car and the Recon car market. Okay, but normally GMR sells through other Recon car dealers or used car dealers. Now with Evo Club Extended Warranty, individuals like us, like me and you, we can go directly into GMR services. So the other thing that's really important and really cool is that GMR is actually in partnership with RHB Bank. This whole setup is backed by a reputable large institution, right? So this is important because when you get a warranty, you want to make sure that the warranty has your back, right? And that's why I chose the Evo Club Extended Warranty. In fact, I have my Porsche Boxer Spider just recently renewed with the Evo Club Extended Warranty. Why I think it's important as a car enthusiast. Now, in my opinion, as a car enthusiast, right, if you're watching this video, you are likely also a car enthusiast, right? What we want is that we want to be able to enjoy the car as much as possible. Meaning to say we want to be able to drive it, enjoy it, have great memories with the car. However, there's always this looming fear. What if something goes wrong? And of course, these cars are machines, and if you drive them long enough and as the older they go, they're going to have more chances of having a detrimental breakdown, right? So there are other wear and tear and stuff like that, and that's fine. But what if you have something that is major, right? What if something that lands your car in the workshop for months and looking for parts, and if you don't fix it, you can't sell it, i.e. a transmission failure. Maybe you have some major breakdowns on your engine, camshaft, ECU, all those things creates worry for us as a car enthusiast. There's no peace of mind. And that's why Evo Club Extended Warranty helps in this area. Now, I like to think of it as an insurance. Now, I'm not talking about the mandatory insurance that you have to buy so you can drive your car. That insurance is what I call something like a life insurance for human beings. Meaning to say, if there is a death to the car, means like, the car goes into a major accident, total loss, touch wood, burglary, fire, all those things, you get protection, for majority of the value of the car, okay? Now, this extended warranty is, for me, equivalent to what we call a medical insurance, right? When somebody gets sick and you have a diagnosis of a serious case, you want to fix it, right? You want to get yourself well as soon as possible, out from the hospital, back to work, so you can earn money, or back to life so you can enjoy life, right? Similar like our cars, right? When you have a detrimental breakdown or big failure, your car, number one, you can't drive it. So you're paying if you're on loan, you're paying all your installments and you can't drive it. That's a waste. Number two, you can't enjoy your car. You don't have a car, especially those people who only have one car, which means you defeat the purpose of having the car, right? You can't use it. But also, number three, you have this, worry, and you have to, you have to project manage, source for parts, which is cheaper, which is more expensive, and stuff like that. And this is where Evo Club Extended Warranty comes in place. It's like the medical insurance. Okay, you go to the hospital, you get a diagnosis, a doctor says, well, you got to do this, you need medical attention, you need this treatment and stuff like that, and the insurance do its part. Just like this, if anything's wrong with your car, all you got to know is this: make sure you send your car to one of the trusted workshops, right, the panel workshops, and they will diagnose your car and do its treatment with all the repairs needed. So you don't have to worry about parts prices and stuff like that. All of that is covered inside the warranty. But there are some exceptions, I'll talk about it later on. But the point is, when something goes wrong, you only got one thought. Take it to the workshop, get it fixed, right? The warranty will take care of it. Even the selected workshops all around Malaysia is there. So no matter if you're in Penang doing a road trip, something goes wrong, there is a workshop there. Whether you're in Kelantan, in Kedah, Johor, you'll be fine, okay? In a nutshell, you buy Evo Club Extended Warranty to get a peace of mind in your car ownership, right? So it doesn't stop it from breaking down, okay? But to know that if something goes wrong, majorly wrong, you are protected to a certain extent. Now, how do you get Evo Club Extended Warranty? It's actually super simple, right? So let me just quickly shift over to the desktop. So what you're going to do first, you're going to sign up for an Evo Club membership, right? Now, if you do that, you get to enjoy great discounts, which I'll talk about later on in the Evo Club Extended Warranty. But once you get into your account, you click the Evo Club Extended Warranty product, and it lands you in this page over here. Now, here there's a lot of words and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you how to apply it for it first and come in and talk about some of the conditions and stuff like that. Okay, so you go straight to the bottom. You key in your name, your address and stuff like that, and then you make your payment through credit card, or you can do Maybank to you, Grab Pay and stuff like that. You're going to pay your first 450 ringgit first. Now, what this is going to do is that it's going to give you an opportunity to make an appointment. Somebody from Evo Club Malaysia or Horizon is going to contact you and help you, be a concierge to help you arrange between you and the workshop. So you send your car in for an inspection first, okay? So this inspection is for the workshop to write a report to GMR so that they can know what's the current health of the car. Now, depending on your car's condition, there are three possible outcomes, right? There is green light, red light, and yellow light, right? I'll talk about yellow light in a moment, but green light is pretty straightforward. So green light, everything's approved, and then shortly you'll receive a quotation from Evo Club Extended Warranty on what the price is and also what things are being covered. Okay, so all those things are things that you need to pay attention to. Okay, and then if your car is not accepted for whatever reason, you get a refund of 350 ringgit. So the 100 ringgit you're just paying for the inspection, and then 350 ringgit goes back to you. Okay, now for those who are in a yellow light, meaning to say that they are going to approve you an extended warranty. However, their request is you got to fix all these parts because these parts are, not functioning, or maybe there are certain concerning areas that needs to be fixed. So that one will be a conditional. If you fix it, then you get the warranty. Okay, so the 450 ringgit, if you are approved, it goes back into your warranty. So let's say if your warranty is 1,500 ringgit, right? So you just have to top up additional 1,050 ringgit, and there you go. So you don't actually lose this 450 ringgit. If you get a quotation and you decided, no, I don't want to proceed, right? You get a refund of 300 ringgit. So 50 ringgit for the underwriting of the warranty, and 100 ringgit for the workshop. So I think that's a fair price, for the services rendered and the time spent on this project. Okay. So yeah, that is the whole concept of the 450 ringgit. Okay. Now I want to cover a few more things that are pretty important. If you look at the Evo Club Extended Warranty, okay, there are parts that are being covered. Now there's a general parts over here, but the detailed breakdown is over here. So you click this link, you get to Evo Club Extended Warranty. There's a good pictorial over here to help you understand what is it for, peace of mind. I'm going to go straight down over here. Warranty coverage. So what is it included in the warranty? There's a lot of parts over here, from cylinder heads to piston assembly, torque converter, turbo, ECU, TCU, TCM, all right, all these things are in there, including labor for workmanship, labor for repair work. Now, the way I see this is that all these parts, if you really look at it, are things that are detrimental for your car's health, meaning to say, these things are needed to make sure your car actually moves, okay, all right? Imagine if something like, touch wood, your camshaft goes wrong. You can't sell the car because you can't use the car, all right? So this ensures that the car, if anything goes wrong, you can still repair and sell it with peace of mind. So these are what I call equivalent to like serious illnesses for your car. So all of this are covered over here. Now please note that not every warranty package actually covers every single thing over here. Please read the fine prints, and when you get the quotation, please go through one by one. In fact, one of the representatives from their site is going to be there with you to answer any questions regarding your warranty. So fret not, there will be someone there to assist you to go through all the details for your specific car. Now, I want to show you something really cool as well, which is the number of service centers and also number of inspection centers, all right? There are a total of 82 service centers, but there are also 52 inspection centers. There's at least one in every state in Peninsular Malaysia. In fact, even in Sabah Sarawak, but Sabah Sarawak is just so big, okay? But at least for Peninsular Malaysia, within your state, you're able to find one. If you want to find out which inspection center is closest to you, all you gotta do is check out over here which one is the best, right? You have anywhere from KL, Selangor, etc. And the place I always go to is Prestige Car Care at Jalan Chansaulin, right behind Porsche Malaysia in Sungai Besi, right? So yeah, you got all these workshops behind you. And the best part is, wherever you go around Malaysia, you get a peace of mind as well. Let's say you're in Penang having a road trip and something major happens, or the alert sign comes onto your car. Fret not, just log in here and you got a phone number, give them a call, and then you head over there, right? So you're covered. You're practically covered all around Malaysia, and that gives us a peace of mind, especially for people who are buying Recon and used cars. Okay, there's other things that's important to talk about, which are some of the minute details over here. I would say the most important first one is talk about the claim limit. Now, per claim, you can claim up to 7,500 per claim per episode in the workshop. Okay, and this again depends on each policy for your car. Everything might be different, so again, please read your fine print, because under GMR, you have 4 different products. You have the Pro warranty, AM warranty, you have the Colt and Ace warranty. I'll spare you the details, but basically they're all different tiers of warranties that you'll be provided in the quotation after you get your car inspected, okay? However, the other thing that you need to note is that in a year's time, the maximum you can claim is up to 40,000 ringgit per year, okay? So that gives you an idea of how much you're being taken care of. Now, the warranty period also lasts only for 1 year or 25,000 ringgit, or whichever comes first. Okay. If you wish to renew, you need to get it to inspected, just like how we did earlier. All you gotta do is again do the same thing, make for an application, and then you get sent to the workshop. Someone from Evo Club or Horizon will contact you, and then you just move along from there. Okay. There are other conditions as well, is that you need to service your car on time at the selected inspection centers, right? Or the 82 trusted workshops. The other thing that's very important to note is this: your car must be less than 8 years old from its manufacturing date, and the mileage is less than 140,000 kilometers, all right? So for cars like my E30 or my Mini Classic, those two will not be included in Evo Club Extended Warranty for obvious reasons, okay? Now, some of you are probably asking, Thomas, how much would this actually cost? Well, the price differs from models to models and brands to brands, right? But here's what I do know. If you are an Evo Club member, you get a discounted price, and you don't have to pay any money to join Evo Club. All you got to do is go to club.evomalaysia.com, and then you sign up for your account, and you can already start enjoying all these benefits, right? So if you look over here, the discounted price of Evo Club members, you have Mini starting from 1,006, Toyota, Hondas, all these are starting from prices, right? You can go higher depending on the models, but this is a good gauge of where it starts from. Now you have an Audi, Volkswagen, or you have an AMG model, Mercedes, or M car, Hyundai, Kia. All these will be case-to-case basis, okay? But fret not, we have the Evo Club Extended Warranty team or Horizon team to be a concierge to liaison for you. You have appointed service people from GMR as well to liaison with you. If you wait a few more days, they can give you the quotation. Just like a Porsche Boxer Spider, it's not a common car, so it took them some time for them to figure out how much is the cost to insure my car. So, how much are you actually saving? Now, I'll give you a great example over here. You can see that Land Rover is $3,200 for the extended warranty. However, if you go through Evo Club, you're going to get $2,671, almost 500 plus ringgit of savings. In my opinion, that's pretty hefty, around 15%. So if you want to enjoy all of these benefits, just sign up for club.evomalaysia.com. Now, before I end, I just want to leave an interesting FAQ because I got asked this a couple of times. And some people ask me, Thomas, what if I buy the warranty and I don't use it? Do I get a refund? Is it worth my money and stuff like that? Well, to give you a little nutshell to an answer like that, it's very simple. You don't buy a warranty because you want to claim it. That's not the point. In fact, think of it like this. If you buy a medical insurance and let's say you live till, I don't know, like 70 years old or 55, whichever of the insurance period, and you never fell sick, you never needed medical attention. Now, did you say that, well, it's such a waste of money that I bought the medical insurance? No, right? You bought an insurance to have a peace of mind. And just like this, you don't want to end up in a hospital. You don't want to end up on a flatbed in the workshop. You buy a warranty with hopes that you don't need to use it, okay? So just by having that peace of mind, right, it's really worth the money, in my opinion, right? So if you look at it that way, the pricing makes sense. But if you look at it that, well, the parts are this price, I can get it for that price and stuff, then maybe it's a different point of view. Or maybe if you're some people that I know who likes to get involved with fixing their cars, then that's fine. But for most people like me, or like car enthusiasts who just want to drive their cars, this is a great one-stop solution for everything. Workshops are sorted, the warranty is sorted. You just send your car in and then voila, everything is done, okay? So that is what I think the value of Evo Club Extended Warranty is, okay? So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please help me hit the like button, or if you found this video informative, please help me hit the like button as well. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this and what other contents you want to hear from me in the future. And please don't forget to check out my channel as well. If you like the content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the bell notification after you hit the subscribe button, okay? With that, thank you so much for watching. As always, keep it 100%. Love you guys. Stay safe and peace out.